The power of the green gel, all about aloe vera. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bobcat Vlog. Today, we're diving into the magical world of one of nature's most powerful plants, aloe vera. You've probably seen it in skincare, drinks, and even on sunburns, but what makes this green gel so special? Let's explore the power of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant species that's been used for thousands of years. With its thick, fleshy leaves and soothing gel, it's known for its healing, hydrating, and detoxifying properties. There are over 500 species of aloe, but Aloe barbadensis Miller is the most well known for its medicinal use. The gel inside aloe vera leaves is packed with goodness, over 75 active compounds. That includes vitamins A, C, and E, enzymes, amino acids, minerals, and antioxidants. These work together to provide anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and skin-soothing effects. Ever used aloe vera on your skin? It's amazing for sunburn relief, acne, and dry skin. It helps boost collagen, reduce inflammation, and keep your skin looking fresh and hydrated. You'll find it in tons of products, from moisturizers to after-sun lotions and even face masks. Aloe vera isn't just for your skin, it works wonders on your hair too. It helps reduce dandruff, soothes an itchy scalp, and strengthens hair strands. Mix it with coconut oil or just use the gel directly for a natural hair treatment. Aloe vera juice is also popular for digestion, hydration, and detox. It can help soothe the stomach, improve bowel movements, and boost immunity, but remember, moderation is key. Too much aloe latex, the yellow part under the skin, can act as a laxative. Want to grow your own aloe vera plant? It's super easy. Just give it sunlight, well-drained soil, and don't overwater. Plus, it looks great on your windowsill and serves as your personal little pharmacy. Here's a fun fact: Cleopatra was said to use aloe vera in her beauty routine. But a quick heads up, some people can be allergic, so always patch test. And if you're taking it internally, consult your doctor, especially if you're pregnant or on meds. So there you have it, the power of the green gel. Whether it's for your skin, your hair, or your gut, aloe vera is a true natural healer. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our weekly wellness videos.